Fan's going to come packaged really well. As you can see here, everything is in its own foam little housing. So everything is packaged really nicely when you get the fan. Each blade is individually wrapped, which is nice, so they're not going to scratch. And they're very durable. There's very little bend or flex to these. These are not wood. These are actually aluminum, and they are solid. So this is going to crank and give you a ton of airflow and a ton of air push. The installation manuals are also easy to understand with some color pictures for app use, and then easy to understand diagrams here as far as installation goes. All right, everybody, I do have the fan installed. This is going to be a 72-inch fan. This is a all-metal fan, so aluminum fan. So we saw the blades are very sturdy. What I love about this fan is that it's super quiet. You can control it with your voice, with your smart home. It does come with a remote, which I have installed over here. You can use the remote, so we can turn on the fan, which I can one. You get a little beep notification to let you know. And I don't know if you can hear, but you hear nothing. And since this fan is so big, it puts out a breeze instantly, which is really nice. But I could also say something like, hey, Google, can you turn on the living room light? And there you have it. Light came on. You can control the light with the remote or your voice, dim it, change it to a bright white or like a warm yellow, which is really cool. So overall installation was pretty easy. Again, shout out to the company for gifting me this. If you're looking for a fan that is 72 inches that you can control with your voice, you also get a remote, definitely check out this fan.